Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're taking a look at one of the coolest Hot Wheels semi-trucks ever made. It's called the Blastin rig. Now the Blastin rig stores up to 14 cars on the trailer, which is pretty impressive, but it's not that important because the main feature is this. The word Blastin actually refers to firing Hot Wheels cars out of the semi-truck cab. So you load up your cars, you pull the trigger, and you launch them just like they show here. So let's spin this around real quick, and on the back of the box, it shows exactly what we can expect: a truck that shoots cars. Obviously, this is the highlight of the entire vehicle. It literally shoots Hot Wheels cars right out of the front end of the semi-truck, and that is going to be incredibly fun to test out. There are two other features shown on the back of the box. The first one here is the fold-down rear, which is right over here, and it allows you to store cars in the back of the trailer. The other feature looks like an extendable cab where the cab pulls away from the trailer to make it a little easier to move. Alright, that is all there is on the back of the box, but take a good look at the graphics on the picture and then take a look at the truck inside the package. It's actually very different. But regardless of that, we also have 3 Hot Wheels cars inside the box along with the truck, so let's open it up and test it out. Alrighty, so it looks like we found some instructions inside the box. It shows the truck, some cars, and if we open it up here, it looks like it shows some basic instructions on how to set it up to play. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do all this in a minute here once we get the thing out of the box. Okay, so now we have Blastin rig out of the box. It also came with 3 Hot Wheels cars: Speed Trap, Vendetta, and RD03 for our third car. But we do need 14 Hot Wheels cars to fill up the truck, so here comes the rest of the squad. Now that we have a bunch of Hot Wheels cars ready to go, let me show you guys how the truck works. You might notice this switch here. It's in the left position, and it also has the guard on the left side, so you press it to the right, and now it switches to the right side. As far as loading cars goes, you can pull the door down just like this. So now there's 4 different spots to put cars. You can go top left, top right, middle left, middle right, but you cannot fit cars on the bottom onto the front of the truck. So the cab is actually attached to the trailer, so your truck goes straight forward and straight backward. But you can actually detach it by pulling it out like this, and that gives your truck a lot more mobility. But do keep in mind, if you want to fire Hot Wheels cars out of the front of the truck, you do have to keep it attached to the trailer, so that way the cars can roll straight down into the truck. And now that we are ready to load Blastin rig up with cars, we're going to switch this to the middle position to equally load cars on both the left and right sides. Okay, this thing looks awesome with a bunch of cars on it, so we're gonna flip the switch and here we go. That right there was firing all 3 cars in the left lane, and as you guys just saw, you pull the trigger back to fire the cars, but you have to pull it back all the way, which can be a little touchy, but once you get it, you hold it and you let it go. Now that we fired all 3 cars on the left side, we're gonna flip the switch to the right to load up some more. So guys, that is the Hot Wheels Blastin rig semi-truck. It's really fun to fire Hot Wheels cars with, and also great for carrying cars as well. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels videos like this one, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.